Hi guys. Okay, so this is the second part of the series, and here we're actually going to show you how you can actually implement your own API. You can incorporate your own LLM to your own like Python project. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to pip install OpenAI. Okay, so that's pretty simple. And then what you need to do is get an API key from the OpenAI website. And the way you do that is you just go to the OpenAI main page, you go to create an account, then you go to view API keys, then you just click on create a new secret API key, and then just name it something, my test key, then create a secret key, copy it, and then just paste it, and then you're done. Okay, so I'm not going to actually paste the API key here because you guys could actually use that. Let me actually delete this real quick. And now that's all you need. Now you can just like copy this code and then you're all set to go. So you can ask any prompt like write a for loop in Python. And it writes the for loop for you in Python. So yeah, that's it. And see you guys in the next video.